Oh, what's good, everybody? It's Eugene back again with another recap. Today we have another monthly recap. I don't think I've done this before. I did a weekly, but I didn't do a monthly. Um, I'm just gonna go over how my month went. Things I did good, things that I did bad. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna show you the setups that I took, which ones are successful, which ones weren't successful. So for this, I'm gonna use Trader Sync. So after all my trades, I put them in Trade Sync and it charts everything. Like if I want to look back at a specific trade, see where I entered, see where I exited, I can do that with this. I think it's a really useful tool. If you're serious about trading and want to see like where you can get better, what you can improve in, what your mistakes are, you really need to get this. So to start off, let me see. So I has all my trades for the month here. I took 53 total trades. So we can look at basically what my statistics were for the month. So for the month, I made $157.68 profit. So we started out in the red and then something just clicked and then we've been green ever since. Um our win percentage is about 50%. I learned that from just like you really got to learn risk to reward, honestly. Like even if you're not really trading great setups, if you have good risk reward, 50% profitable, you know what I'm saying? My profit factor is 1.5, so basically like average winners divided by average losers. Yeah. So it shows so with a 1.5 profit factor and then 50 with a 50% win percentage, I'm going to be green. You know what I'm saying? So 53 total trades, 126 lost 26. And yeah, so like we can look at what I wanted to really look at was the trades. And then I just want to go by each setup. Like these are my main setups, right? So first of all, I'm gonna start with some trades that just didn't. I didn't bother putting a setup. I don't know why, but like they really weren't significant necessarily. It's just like I just took a trade and then like this Apple and this is the biggest loss. So the good thing about TraderSync, I can literally look back even if I don't remember this trade. I can look back and see where I entered. So this was December 3rd. Oh, this was today, I think. No, this was yesterday. Oh, I remember this trade. Yeah. So right, what you can do is you can come here and look at like, okay, what happened? I tried to play a 9 EMA touch and then I got rejected. Also, something I really learned instead of doing, I like to do the 9 EMA on the 5 minute and the VWAP on the 1 minute for like bounce plays. I found it to be more successful more times than not. It's higher yield profitability and like because not all the time it'll hold a nine. You'll see. I'll show you an example of that. But yeah, this was a trade I took. So what you can come and do here, you can come here and be like, okay, what was the setup? It was a 9 EMA touch. And then yeah, if you had any mistakes, again, I can put bad setup and then it'll just chart it and then I'm good. You feel me? So yeah. So so I'm gonna go through. So for my all my 9 EMA setups, so this was it, dude. Win percentage was 47%, made $67 on these. So this is my most profitable setup, but it works sort of. But yeah, most of these as you can see are Apple. I like trading Apple for the 9. It respects the 9 pretty good. Next we have Ascending Triangle. We traded this once. Pretty good trade. I don't see this much often because I do like to trade momentum off the open. So you don't often see that. It's not a setup I really like to take a lot, but you know. Then we have high day. So basically, when a stock reaches the high day or like a key level from the previous day, breaks right through. This is my bread and butter setup. Like as you can see, I don't lose often. My biggest loss was on Microsoft. This was like, yeah, this was my biggest loss on Microsoft. But all of them are just green, 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 green. Once it breaks high day, it just goes. You know what I'm saying? What else? So this is my most profitable setup. I like this setup a lot. I need to trade that more. Um, when I'm shorting, I haven't really had that much success shorting. I'm gonna be honest. I do have a few good shorts, but other than that, not too much success shorting. So yeah, you gotta work on that for sure. Like today, I should have won this trade if you saw the video, but yeah, man. What else do we have? Low of day bounce. Yeah, I haven't really traded that. There's a category I have here of no setup. It just shows. Is it not showing up? Basically, there was not a setup, and I just entered blindly. As you can see, my biggest losses have come out from this. So I need to cut that down. Just by cutting down, like getting into trades that have no setup, that's $70 right there. You know what I'm saying? Range is basically like if the stock makes a range and I try to hit that range. It's basically a high day, low day, but it's not as like a good range, you know what I'm saying? So like I'm not really too successful with that. And then reversals, I don't really like trading reversals. I haven't traded them much because I can't predict them, but that's pretty much it, man. So hopefully next month we have a green month, green by a lot. I do want to set a goal, but I don't want to like hold myself to it, you know. I say a good goal is to just let's say 250. Does 250 sound like a lot? I know I can make more. Let's do 500. I know I can do 500. Goal for next month is $500 profit. I have been getting to size up. So yeah. So it shouldn't be too hard. I think I can do 500 for sure. Then we'll see where we can. 500, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Scale that bit up. You feel me? And then the rest is history. So if you watch this far, thanks for watching. And also, if you're from the future, like 2 years down, you came back and saw this video as motivation. Hopefully, I hooped and then like a cold trader. But like, see this? You have to start from somewhere, bruh. Hopefully, I look back in the future. $5,000 months, $10,000 months. You never know. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see y'all another time.